Okay, we're back. Like I said, I'm redoing this hacking lab for 395, and we're doing it uh, on Windows uh, 10. And you know, when I bought my new HP Spectre laptop, I wasn't thinking that, oh yeah, I better get it with low resolution or else everything's going to appear microscopic size. And also anything I record is going to be freaking huge, or as Trump would say, huge. But oh well, what can you do? I've already got it. So, okay, let's go ahead with step 3, and we're going to download Kali. So I could type in the big long URL, but I'm just going to search Kali. We've already proven I can't type a URL. See, that should be encouraging for you as a student. It's like, hey, if Professor Randy can do this stuff and make a living, must be pretty doggone easy, right? Remember, always look at the bright side. So, okay, yeah, here's the Kali Linux images, which is what we want. But we actually want, see where it says download Kali VMware? Ha ha ha! So, we want the virtual images right here. See it right here, right here? Okay. Welcome to offensive security. And they're not like they're not trying to offend you, but what they are saying is attack back or hack back, you know? That was, okay, so we're downloading the torrent. And let's see if we can open this. And I don't think we can open it. This is kind of curious. Okay, you know, I mean, the thing with torrent clients is they put a ton of junk in them. So let's go ahead and just go get a QTorrent, which is what I think I recommend for this. Let's see what I recommend. I don't really, I'm going to have to, oh, QTorrent, yeah. QBitTorrent. So let's go ahead and download that. QBitTorrent, I think that's it. The problem with BitTorrent clients, as you know, is just they got tons and tons of like crap in them. So I'm probably going to download this and wonder if this is it. Yeah, I'm gonna take a chance. So because they have tons of crap on them, I'm going to download it and then probably uninstall it. I mean, you know, torrents are great if you're downloading big files and stuff all the time. But if not, there's quite a bit of spyware and stuff associated with them. So I'm like 99% sure once I get this downloaded, I'm going to uninstall it. Okay, so we're at the interface here now. So add torrent file. So you got to go over to that Kali Linux file you just you just installed. So I'm trying to think of, it's a new computer, and I've installed it with a, I think the drive that it might be in. Well, you can always check downloads, right? As I thought. So I think I installed a different, see, my documents. That's actually my D drive. Ha 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 ha, see? You thought I didn't know what I was doing, huh? Okay, so here we go. Now it's a brand new computer, and I always partition it. So if the operating system on the system partition gets hosed, which, by the way, not that uncommon, I'll still have my data files intact. So this time, though, instead of designating a drive letter, I just mounted it as my documents in the normal My Documents folder, and then I have to go about and like change everything to download into that that particular folder. Which it looks like I didn't do it on this case. Oh well. This will be, I think, in the C drive, so I'll have to move it later. But there it goes. Now I think it's going to download. It's a fairly large file. What in fact was it? Anybody remember? Let's see what it was. 2.2 gigs. I always like to point out, because everybody loves using, what do they love using? They love using VirtualBox. So Kali Linux Lite, what's that? It's probably just a command line, or it launches in mode 3. VM. This is what I was going to show you. Now I remember. Look at, wow, that, man, 3.6 instead of, what was the other one, 2.2? Yeah, 2.2. Oh, it's huge, it's huge. So, see, that's another reason you should run VMware instead of VirtualBox. Now, I know that historically, a lot of the networking program used VirtualBoxes before I got to Kaplan. And so I told everyone, hey, switch to VMware. Not that I particularly like VMware, but it's just when it comes to virtualization, they're a huge player in the field, whereas VirtualBox is just, kind of Oracle. Larry Ellison's sticking VMware, poking them in the nose or something. Here's a free product, so you don't have to use VMware, which is typical, something that Larry Ellison would do. But let's see how we're doing on this download, eh? Yeah, see, it's going pretty good. And this is during the big DDoS attack on October 21st, so 2016. So, yeah, BitTorrent's definitely good for moving images around over the internet. I mean, basically, you contact a bunch of servers, so you have tons of streams going. Like right here, Seed. See that? When you install a BitTorrent client, it sets up kind of like a shared drive. So if you want to share software or something, you can put it in that shared drive. Sort of like, shared drive on a Windows network. But of course, the problem is a lot of that stuff has malware and stuff. So, you know who's famous for doing that when he was alive was Prince. He'd put all like a little red Corvette and everything on torrent clients, you know, using a honeypot, and tons of people would download it and just get totally hosed, totally hosed. So may he rest in peace, of course. Okay. So anyway, okay, so we can see it's coming. Now I think I'm not exactly sure, but I think last time I did this, you had to unzip this resultant download, but we'll see. I was actually going to pause the recording, but this is going so quick. You know, so the problem with it, oh man, these speakers are so loud. The problem with it of having it, you know, so that's another problem with having a torrent client installed is that you're kind of putting yourself in the queue. I mean, it's not a big deal because if you're not sharing anything, presumably nobody will be downloading from your computer. But so okay, so I don't know where it is. So I'm thinking though I could find another downloads. Let's see here. Okay, that's the torrent there though. So where's the actual Kali? VM. Where does it say AMD? Did I download the wrong thing? Hold on. Why does it say AMD? I got a Intel. No, that's right. That's the torrent client. Okay, so let's go to downloads. Ah, yes. See, it's zipped with the 7Z. So that's what I was going to show you. It's really rough doing this because I'm doing it out of my, what do they call these, development guide. So I don't actually have it on my computer. Okay, so WinZip. So we're going to download that and then unzip this file, and we should be good to go then. So let's go over here. Or 7-zip, I'm sorry. This is actually a good program to leave installed if you don't have it. For Windows, we want 64-bit, right? Okay. Yeah, this is it, I think. Much quicker, isn't it? These speakers are going to kill me, I swear. Okay, let's go. Program files, 7-zip. That's good. Now, there's two ways you could do it. I should be able to just click on that that image that the torrent client downloaded for me, and that'll automatically start it and things. So let's try it. I think that might be the easy way to go. It is installed. Now this is going to appear on your context menus and stuff now. For some reason it didn't associate. So let's do it the other way then. And what's the other way? The other way is we'll open 7-zip and No, don't do that. Okay, so this would be my C drive. So let's go to computer. Let's go to, let's spread it out a little, see if we can see it a little better. What did I just do? Totally screwed it up. Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go into users, and I'm Randy, and we'll go to downloads. It should be in there. Let's see. Let's extract. Where do I want this? I don't really want it there. Let's put it in my virtual machines. So on my, yeah, see, that's my partition drive. Let's put it in a new folder. My virtual machines. And then we'll put it in Kali. Now, I don't know why, but some people call this Kali 2, and some people call it Kali 2016. I call it Kali 2, generally. Okay, so let's... Now, this actually takes a long time. Believe it or not, I mean, it's surprising. You'd think downloading a stupid thing. Let me see where I'm at time right now. 17. You know what? I think I'm going to pick this up from... so this is going to extract. I think I walked you guys through everything pretty well. So I'm going to actually stop it and then pick it up after it's extracted.